I swore I heard her. Did you hear Savvy?
I think I heard footprints.
I did.
Yeah.
Savvy.
There she is. Hi,
Ella,
Sav. Come on.
Come on. Oh, my.
You've been with Ella. Hi, Ella.
Hi, doing great.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
What you got there?
I have a safety training certificate for Savvy.
Oh, my gosh.
They both graduated.
Savvy.
Fantastic. No
That's
more
right.
bills.
Ella graduated from Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. Woo, woo.
There we go.
That's right. And Savvy?
Look, Savvy, you graduated from safety training.
I love it. I love it. Well, here, let me give you Savvy because we are getting ready for Safety with Savvy. Please. Thank you. Good to have you girls home.
So good to be here.
That is amazing. Okay, so you guys ready to watch a little video here?
Is this an epic fail?
This is going to be an epic fail. We're talking about garage doors today. And so we're going to talk, or I'm going to show you a video about a fail of an installation of a garage door opener. You know, they're smart. Openers are smart. But people installing it, maybe not so smart. Can't DIY this. You got to see this, guys. You ready?
Let's take a look.
Okay, thinks he's good. See what happens here. Oh!
Problem. That is how not to do it.
That is how not to do it. Can you believe that?
You know, I've been saying this for many, many years, even when we talk about windows and doors. The person that tries to do it themselves like that ends up costing themselves so much more money because now that guy's got to buy a whole new opener and start from scratch. So it's just not worth it. Leave it to the professionals, please.
Exactly. And you're right. We have talked about DIY so many times, and here's a perfect example of why DIY fails. So not a good idea. Well, thank you, Savvy. And thank you, Duncan.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. We appreciate you guys. I think that's a wrap. And with Savvy being certified now.
Are you going to wave goodbye to your fans?
Before we say goodbye, we just want to let everybody know with Savvy being certified now and safety trained, she's going to be out in that field now. She's going to be checking out our installations, and she's really going to be looking for those safeties.
And she's got a nose for it.
She does have the nose for it. Thank you, Ella, for having Savvy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations to you both. And we'll sign off for now. Bye.
Bye.